Hello, my dear students. How are you today? How are you today? You all are fine. And ma'am is also fine. So, what we are going today? Today we will learn some new words. We will do reading, but we will add some new sounds, some new words like as, s, e sounds. And today we will do reading of lesson number 22 and 23 from the book The Songs the Letter Sings, book 1. So here are some new sounds as, s, e, and here are some new sounds ch sound, and this is also ch sound, but here is t silent. So this is also ch and this is also ch. So shall we start now? Are you ready? Are you ready? Ma'am is ready. And about you? So now open your book and sit in front of me. Ma'am and you will learn together. Okay? So first of all, what you have to do? Mention the date and reading. Here is date and here is reading. Okay? So beta, this is as, s, e, as, s, e. So this is las, pass, bus and mass. Las, pass, bus, mass. This is bess, less, mess, bess, less, mess. E sound. So this is, you have to sound it like a long sound. E sound. So B, C, V, B, C and V. So here are some new sound as, s, e sounds. Next is lesson number 23. Here are some new sounds ch sound and ch sound. So this is ch sound and here is ch sound. So both are ch sound, but here is t silent. Okay? T is silent here. So cat ch. This is wrong. Ca, t is silent here. Ch, catch. But when you will write this word, you have to write down t. Okay? Catch. When you will writing, but when you will read this word t, you have to not speak the word, the letter t. Sound like k, ca, ch, catch. But when you will write, t is compulsory. Catch. Without t, it can't be complete the word. Okay? So here is catch. Okay? Writing. When you will write, you have to write it t. K, C-A-T-C-H. That is catch. But when you will speak, then T is silent. T will remain silent sometimes. Okay? T will remain silent all the time. Catch. So here is catch me if you can. Catch me if you can. Lift, lift up the, again ch sound, latch. So this is not lat and ch, latch is wrong. Ch, latch. T is silent. Latch. but while writing you have to write T, L-A-T-C-H, latch, okay, and run in. जब आप इसको राइटिंग में लिखोगे, जब आपको इसको लिखना है तब आपको T लिखना है, L-A-T-C-H. ये नहीं है कि आपको स्पीक भी नहीं करना है T साउंड को, तो आपको लिखना भी नहीं है. L-A-T-C-H, दैट इज लैच. बोलते हुए आपको T साइलेंट करना है, लेकिन लिखते समय आपको T लिखना है. Nat can, again patch, T is silent, patch the tent. Pat and his chum had a match. Fetch, fetch, this is match and this is fetch. Fetch, T is silent here. Fetch a hatched, bob. So run, run, run. Again, catch me if you can. I am to pass by the mill. Bill is a wee dog. Bess is a wee lass. She will run too. Again oo sound. So this is too. Now catch me if you can. T is silent. Lift up the latch and run in. Nat can patch the tent. Pat and his chum had a match. Fetch a hatched bob. Run, run, run. Catch me if you can. I am to pass by the mill. Bill is a wee dog. Bess is a wee lass. She will run too. So here are some new words of ch sound, like catch, T is silent, latch, fetch. So here are some ch sound words. Now what you have to do? You have to learn these new words for dictation. Ma'am will take your dictation test. Now it's time to go, but first of all, what you have to do? First of all, you have to read these lessons, lesson number 22 and lesson number 23. Then search the new words of ch sound, okay? And then ma'am will take your dictation test. So now it's time to leave, but ma'am will come back soon. So catch you later. Goodbye.